Is Roblox stuck and refusing to update on your Windows 11? In this video, we'll explore 4 quick fixes to get you back in the game. Simply search Roblox in the search box. Next, right-click that Roblox app and click Uninstall. Immediately, you will be taken to the Settings page. As the Installed Apps section opens up, scroll down to find the Roblox app. Tap the dot button next to that and click Uninstall next. Open up a browser tab and go to Roblox. Log in using your Roblox credentials. Choose a random game from there to play the game. After loading the game, click the play button. Tap the Download and Install Roblox item. After this, run the Roblox installer and go through the steps to install it on your computer. Just press down the Windows button. Simply type Run and open the Run panel. Next, type this in the box and click OK. %local app data %. As this takes you to the local folder, find the Roblox folder and open that up. Here, you will find several Roblox named as the versions. This signifies the version of the Roblox client on your system. Open that up. Tap the Date Modified once to arrange these folders according to later. Now you have to open each folder from the top and look for the Roblox Player Launcher.exe. When you have found this exact Roblox Player Launcher in the particular folder, right-click that and tap Run as Administrator. Launch the Microsoft Store on your system. Search for the Roblox game using the search box. Open the Roblox from the search results. Tap Install to install the Roblox from the MS Store. Simply type Run. Later, tap the Run button there to open it up. Paste this and click OK. Firewall.cpl simply click the Allow apps or feature through Windows Defender Firewall option on the left tab. Next, tap Change Settings. Find the Roblox game in there. Later, you can just check both the private and public boxes respectively to allow the operation of the Roblox game. Click OK. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.